And let me just do this question. This question, guys, is straightforward and easy. Guys, all the time, guys, when you see exponent 0, everything there it's 1. It's 1, 1. I told you here, any base that has exponent 0, it's 1. Yeah. So that 0, guys, it is outside these brackets, meaning everything which is here, it's 1, guys, plus, which is 4, 2 multiply, here it's 1, 4 plus 4, 6 divided by 4, 2 minus everything there, it's 1. Do you see, guys? Those 1. Straightforward now. Yeah. And now, guys, when you're dealing with this kind of a thing there, some other learners, they get lost, they end up combining these together, they end up guys, here you should just know that thing that we call body mass. Do you see body mass? Yeah, body mass, it says that it's brackets and you order all your stuff, then divide, then multiply, add in, and subtract there. Meaning that you start by dealing with something which is inside the brackets. That's what I did here. I deal with something which is inside the brackets. Like this there, and that one it's 1 there. So now, when it comes to an order there, it means that you are dealing something inside the square root there. But here we don't have anything which is inside the square root there. So now I can go with something which deal with bracket, which deal with division there. So something that deal with division here is these two things. I can simplify them together. Then I can go with those one, simplify them together. Those one, simplify them together. Meaning that I will end with this one there, with those one there, with addition there. You see? So this is how I will do. This thing that I can write it in the form of 6 divided by 4, 2 minus by 1 plus. That one, guys, will be invisible, and here I got invisible 1 as well. Meaning that here it will be 2 plus 1 plus 1 there. Because remember, when I multiply same base, I add the exponent. And that one that will disappear. Take note about that. And for this one there, when I divide same base, I subtract the exponent, meaning this thing it's 1 plus 4, this thing it's 3 plus. When here I subtract the exponent, I will have 4 minus 1. Do you see, guys? Yeah. So now this is what I can do there. I can press each thing there on my calculator. Now I'm cheating now. So here it's 1 plus, which is there, it's 4 to the exponent 3. That thing will give me what? This thing there. What about 4? Meaning that thing there, it's plus 2, 5, 6. And say minus by 1 there. Do you see? Yeah. And now from my body mass there, I can just start by dealing with addition before I go to subtraction. Meaning that I can simplify everything here. So meaning that I can say 1 plus 64 plus 2 something, which is that thing that will give me 31. Do you see? And say minus by 1, which is that thing there is this one there, which is all this thing that give me 20 there. Do you see, guys? That's how maths easy it is, guys. That's how maths it is. Do you see, guys? This maths, guys, is straightforward, by the way. And let me try to punch everything here. Try to check that will I get that thing correct, which is 1 plus and 4 exponent 2 multiplied by 1 and multiply by what? By 4 exponent 1, and here it's plus 4 to the exponent what? 6 divided by what? By 4 to the exponent 2 minus by 1. Yeah. Do you see? Yeah. I'm a genius, guys. So let's do this one as our last question. So this is how, guys, we do this thing here. This thing that I can change it to be positive, put invisible 1, and this will flip, come here, come there, come here, and come there. So meaning this thing, guys, will just become 1 over A2 plus 1 over what? B2 there. Do you see? And now here I should combine these two fractions by using a bow tie, guys. A bow tie, this will multiply here, this will multiply them, these two will multiply each other. That thing is a bow tie. Do you see? So meaning this thing there will multiply. Here I will say plus, this multiply there it's B2, this multiply there it's A2, this will multiply each other, it will be A2, B2. Then you leave your answer like this, guys. There's nothing that you can do there. Leave your answer like that there. Don't try to be a genius, do something else, you will fail. Just leave your answer like that there. Then what about for this one? This one, it's kind of awkward, but I believe myself I will do it. Which is 125, it's equal to shift fact them. Change this thing into exponential form, meaning that thing that it's 5 and 3 minus, and here it's 2 over 3. Do you see this thing? Yeah. And say plus. But for this one now, what you can do for this one, I can change this thing there to become a positive exponent, this, meaning that thing that will go upwards divided by minus 3 over 3. Do you see? Yeah, just like that there. And now this is what now I should do, guys. Do you see that negative? Do you see that negative? That negative, guys, would like to complicate things here, but this is what you can do about that negative. This thing that I can take it as negative 1 multiplied by 5, 3, and here it's 2 over 3, and plus, which is 1 minus 1 multiplied by 3, 3. Do you see? Yeah, that negative, guys, I take it as in it is taken by invisible one there. Here it's multiplied, by the way, I can use a dot. Yeah, that negative, guys, I take it as in it is taken by invisible one there. Because when I multiply all these things, still I'll get that. When I multiply that, still I'll get that there. Do you understand the reason why I do that? It's because, guys, I want you to show you something that this thing I got invisible one, even here I got invisible one. So this will multiply inside there. This will multiply inside here. This is what will happen there. It's minus 1, which is 1 multiplied by what? By 2 over 3. And say multiply by 5. 3 multiplied by 2 over 3. And say plus them. This put it inside a bracket because it goes with negative there. Then for this one there, here it will be minus 1, which is 1 multiplied by 3. Multiplied by 3. And 3 divided by 1. Do you see? And now this is what will happen there. All this thing there, let me just press that thing down my calculator, meaning minus 1 to the exponent 1 multiplied by 2 exponent 3. This is what I will get there, which is that I get 1 there. Everything that I get 1 multiplied by these two things that they cancel. I'll get 5 to the exponent 2 plus 1. And here, all this thing that I'll just get what? I'll get negative 1 there. So here, let me just press it. So that I'll just get 1 there. Don't forget that according to those rules that if you say an odd number, you'll get negative 1. This is what is happening here. We get negative 1 multiplied by 3 and 3. This is what you will do now in this case. These two things, they will multiply each other, as you can see there. That negative will get multiplied with that one. That thing there will be negative because different sign give us negative. And here 1 will multiply with this thing there. Anything, guys, when you multiply with 1, you get the same thing there. Do you see this thing? In other words, that one, guys, will just disappear. Even as well as this one, that one will multiply with that thing, then get disappear there. So now here I will have this, as you can see, and now I have to simplify now all of this thing there to get my final answer. This one it's 25 minus by what? 27 divided by 1. And now, guys, please know that if you got something like this, plus or minus x, you apply a bow tie here. This is how you apply bow tie. All the time when you see two fractions are separated by plus or minus, you just apply a bow tie. Do you see? Only if they are separated by plus or minus. Meaning here it will be plus or minus. This multiplied it's ay. This multiplied it's bx there. And this multiplied it's by. That's how you apply a bow tie, guys. Then if two fractions, guys, are separated by equal there, there you apply a cross multiply. Meaning this multiply there, this multiply there, meaning this thing it's ay, which is equal to bx there. Do you see this thing? Yeah. But for in this case there, I can put invisible one, I got two fractions have been separated by negative, meaning that I can apply what? A bow tie. This will multiply there, this multiply there, this will multiply each other. Meaning this thing that I can say it's minus, this multiply them. When I press that thing there on my calculator, this is what I will do there. I'll say 25 multiplied by what? 27. This is what I will get there. Meaning that it's that number. And 1 multiplied by 1 you'll get 1. 1 multiplied by 27 you'll get 27. Because anything when you multiply by 1 you get the same thing there. And now this is what will happen. These two things will minus each other. Will get 74 divided by that thing there. Do you see? Yeah. So now guys, that one is my final answer. And now if I want to confirm my answer, I should press everything there. I should press everything there from my calculator. Everything which is here, I should press it. This is how I will do that. I can press that, say minus 125, which is 2 over 3, and say plus -5, and here -5. Yeah. Do you see guys the answer that I got? And that answer guys is still the same as what? As the one that I just simplified here. Do you see? Yeah. So a math guys, it only need you to know all the rules, by the way. Because also this one, it's one of the rules. And let me also give you some extra info. Then if you got something like this, multiply them by x over y. If two fractions are separated by multiply, here numerator will multiply numerator, denominator to denominator. Meaning here we'll have this there, which is, or here it's a guys, sorry, which is y there. Do you see this thing? Yeah. Then a last one there, if you say division, division, which is b divided by x over y. Yeah, a division like this. And remember that division guys, it can be even written in this form, by the way, of x divided by y there. So this thing there, this, it can be also written in this form there. Do you see? And now when you say division, you just change a division into multiplication. Right hand fraction will flip there, become y over x, a over b. Only right hand fraction will flip. And now when you see multiply, obvious there, this will multiply with that, this will multiply with that one. Do you see? Then here you'll get like a different answer, which is bx, just like that there. So this one guys, just the application of fraction. Please know all this for method 1, 2, 3, 4. That one it was just some extra information there. Do you see? So guys, thank you for your time. Yeah, thank you for your time. I hope you did understand this video. You gain a lot. All the best guys in your studies. So what you can do, you can try these questions now. Then if you need corrections, just watch the next video. Yeah, just watch many videos as you can. The more you can see that you understand now, you are free now to attack exam questions now. Yeah, all the best guys in your studies.